This is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the calendar app on your phone. Well, firstly you gotta find it, of course. In my case, the default app for it is going to be Google Calendar, and well, in yours as well. If you haven't change the default calendar app manually or downloaded any calendar app other than Google Calendar. So anyway, tap at the plus sign, choose an event option from the list. But prior to doing that, you will also need to make sure to select the proper date. So once you've made it to this interface, simply fill out all the event details, such as its title, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness or reoccurrence, other participants, link to the video conference, location, set up your notifying or reminding preferences, pick the color for this event to have inside the calendar. You can also write a brief description or attach some file if necessary. Then hit the save button, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.